What's up, traders? Let's have a quick look at Nzdusd from the weekly time frame. So just to let you guys know about what the market normally does is we'll have an impulse to the downside followed by a correction. Once we have a correction, then the market will then start to move down to the downside again. So basically on the weekly time frame we are bearish and we can expect a push down on this pair. Why do I say that we are bearish and we can expect a push down to on this pair is basically because if you take the Fibonacci from the high to the low, you will be able to see that we are rejecting the 61.8 Fibonacci of the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is a very strong area in the market, and it's a very good area in the market that the market loves to respect as well. And if you look left, you'll be able to see that you have very strong support and resistance area in this area as well that we've respected in many times before. In the past as well, over here we had support, over here we had resistance, and then of course over here we had resistance again, and also a support area and a resistance area over here. So what we can basically expect is we can expect the market to make a move to the downside. It's just a matter of time for us to check whether that the market is respecting this area or not. So let's go down to the 1-day chart and see what kind of price action we're getting and where we can enter this market if possible. If we have a good confluence of this level, you can see that the market has basically rejected it in a nice way, and we just need further confirmation from the market to get this push to the downside. Now my first target basically will be at around this area over here. Why do I pick this area over here? Because we have a previous support and resistance strong area over here, and my second target will be around this neckline of the support area over here, because the market is basically overextended to the upside. So an overextended market needs to make a retracement in order for it to make a next move to the upside or either to the downside. So let's have a look and see. I will set our targets for us quickly. Let's have a look here. We set our target. These two levels will be our targets. Now all we're waiting for on the 4-hour time frame is basically we are waiting for the market to change environment and also break of structure. Once we have a break of structure and a change of environment from the market, then we can enter this trade with a good risk to reward, and we hope that you guys all profit of this kind of pair. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame and see what kind of price action we are getting on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, it's still not clear yet that we have a bearish market, because the market is still basically printing higher highs and higher lows. So we're just waiting a little bit longer to see whether we can get in this market. Now when I mean a break of structure basically will mean that the market will need to break this area first. So basically what we are looking for is the market to break this area, then we'll have a retest of this area. Once we have a retest of this area, we can expect the market to basically push to the downside if all our strategy is satisfied, and also if things are moving to where we want it to go, then we will take this trade to the downside with our students and members and possibly get to the second take profit point of this area over here. Now if the market tends to continue to the upside, then of course this trade will be invalid, so we won't take this trade. So only waiting for a break of structure. Once the structure is broken, then we will look on the retest for an entry on Nzdusd. So just to explain to you guys, a break of structure, basically the market breaks out from the structure, it then makes a retest to the structure to retest its previous support around this area, and it will be a new resistance, so it will retest that and then continue to the downside. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys let me know in the comments area if you guys have any thoughts or any ideas or any questions about this. You guys can let me know in the comments area. We really appreciate your likes, comments, and also don't forget to follow my trading view. We will be posting up videos each day about new pairs that you guys can trade daily. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.